I'm going to talk about a controversial topic. It is 1,000 years here in our country, all around the world. I'm going to talk about discrimination. First, I tell that some concepts of discrimination and then its types. So, what is discrimination? Discrimination is the act of grouping people or humans according to the criteria has been elected. This implies social relationship. Other concept, discrimination is a differential. Discrimination is a different and adverse treatment to receive a person for many reasons, such as ideas, culture, religion, racial, sex, etc.
Next.
And the next. Yeah. Discrimination is a form of passive violence. As you can see in the first picture, people are discussing, people are louding and saying nothing. But if you develop the first, you will get the second one. It is the physical violence. And those who discriminate designate a differential treatment in rights, in person social consideration, and they make difference about the color of skin, ideas, and the list as I have mentioned. That these people contribute themselves, virtues, and characteristics. So they think they can judge us. It's the way they think. They have a distorted view about the sex of the man, about the sex of the woman, about the sex of the humans. So they think in that way, of course, wrong. And the next please. Now I'm going to talk about some type of discrimination. In this word picture, you can appreciate racial discrimination, sexual discrimination, social discrimination, and disability discrimination. First, sexual discrimination. What is sexual discrimination? Is the differential treatment for a single person because of the sex. And the most common is about the women. And we have seen a growing incorporation of women into society. And we can find examples of sexual discrimination in jobs, in education. For example, in a job, I'm a boss and I have to evaluate my employers. So when I have to employ a woman employer, I realize that she has good skills, good knowledge, but I decide to not promote her because she's a girl, she's a woman, and I can accept she is smaller than me. And that's discrimination. In education, for example, like a teacher, of course, decide to separate men from women when the time is to play, because men have to play football and women have to play volleyball. And women can play football because football is for strong people. This is that type of discrimination. Disability discrimination. That happens because some people think the main obstacle that disabled people suffer is about these disabilities. Is according to the characteristics, she can contribute to the society. But now we can see a lot of people with disabilities, and they have contributed to technology, to scientists. For example, Steve Hawking. And that picture you can appreciate a person who is programming, for example, and she just needs a logic and his arms and his eyes for using a computer, and that's all. He can get a job. It's not necessary to use her legs or something like that. Next, please. Social discrimination. In social discrimination is a treatment, a differential treatment for many reasons. first is for money, for the locations, the way you speak, if you are fat, if you are short, if you are tall, and the class. Next, please. And the final is racial discrimination. Racial discrimination is the differential treatment because of the color of skin. And I put that images, that pictures, because that happened in USA, the racial discrimination. And I'm going to explain like an example. In that time, in 80s, and 60s and 70s, is I wanted to go to the cinema. I have to go to the cinema for black people, until it's in the first. If I wanted to go to the restaurant, I have to go to the restaurant for other people. Even if I am on the streets and I'm walking and suddenly I have to go to the bathroom, I have to go to the public restaurant for black people. That type of discrimination was awful at that time. Now we can find this discrimination by like a joke, because it's not, because now we consider that like a joke. Because, for example, I can say you're a nigga or something like that, but this is still existing in higher classes. And in the conclusion, discrimination exists because people are selfish, ignorant, but now we know times are changing, and I think a good way to change that is be humble and accept people, not just what you see. It matters what they feel and what they want to say or express.